Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Academia Ambala. This is your computer period, and we are going to start with lesson number 7, that is Notepad and Calculator. Children, in this chapter, we are going to study about Notepad, starting Notepad, entering text in Notepad, saving the document in Notepad, calculator, starting calculator, and using the calculator. So children, in chapter number 4 of your computer book, you learned how to use the keyboard to type letters, words and numbers on a computer. Let us use the keyboard using a program called Notepad, which is a text editor. You know that a keyboard is used to type letters, words, numbers, etc. on a computer. There are certain programs in which you can type. One of these programs is Notepad. So children, now we will be learning how to work in Notepad. Children, Notepad is a quick and easy program used for typing in computer. You can type letters, words, sentences and numbers in Notepad. So for this, first of all, you should know how to start Notepad. For starting Notepad, you just click on the status bar which is there at the bottom of your screen. Click on the search window on the status bar and type here Notepad. As soon as you press enter, the Notepad window will appear on your screen. But this window is small. To maximize this window, click on the maximize button. Now, here you have to learn about three main components of the Notepad window. Title bar. The topmost bar displays the title of the program. This is called title bar. The vertical blinking line on the screen is called the cursor. It will tell you where to write. And the whole white area where we are going to type, this is called text area. So you can type the text in a notepad by using the keyboard. Here I am writing here, I am fine. After typing the contents, you must save your text side by side for future use. But how to save it? For saving it, click on File, go to Save, write the name of the file here, what you want to give, and click on Save. So as soon as you click on Save, your file is saved and the name of the file is shown on the title bar. To come out of this window after finishing the work, click on File, click on Exit. So this is the way we can work with Notepad. Calculator. Children, have you ever seen a calculator and worked on it? Calculator in your computer is used for doing calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Like a real calculator, we have a calculator program in our computer. Let us learn how to operate a calculator on a computer. Before starting working on the computer, we must know some buttons which are used in calculation. Plus, that is used for addition. This is addition button. Minus, this is subtraction button. Star, multiplication button. In some calculators, it is used as cross sign also. Slash, this is used as division button. In some computers, it is used as division sign also. Equal to button, this is used to get the result. So now we will learn how to work on calculator in a computer. Children, now we will learn about calculator. First of all, I will tell you how to go to calculator application. For that, go to your status bar at the bottom of your screen. Click in the search window and write here calculator, that is CALCULATOR. Press enter. As soon as you press enter, the standard calculator will appear on your screen. Click on each button with mouse to enter information into the calculator. Here are some numbers written, so you have to click on the numbers to give the information to the calculator. So this is the display area where a big 0 is written. This is the area where we will get the results and we will enter the information. Here you have to learn about these 4 buttons. The first is division, then is multiplication, then is subtraction, then is addition. In some calculators you will see slash in spite of this division sign, star in spite of this multiplication sign, minus and plus will be as it is. Equal to sign will be used to get the result. Now I will tell you how to add two numbers. Suppose if you want to add 8 and 4, so first of all you click on 8, press plus, then click on 4, and to get the result click on equal to sign. As soon as you click on equal to sign, you will get the result here, that is 12. Now before going to the next calculation, click on C to clear the display area. Now I will tell you how to subtract two numbers. To subtract two numbers 9 and 5, first of all you click on 9, click on minus, click on 5, and to get the result click on equal to sign. As soon as you click on equal to sign, you will get the result, that is 4. Now I will tell you how to multiply and divide. So before proceeding, I will click on C to clear the screen. Suppose I want to multiply two numbers, that is 4 and 5. Click on 4, click on multiply, click on 5 and click on equal to sign to get the result, that is 5 4s are 20. Before proceeding, I will clear the display area by clicking on the C, that is clear. Now I will divide two numbers. 20 divided by 5. For entering 20, click on 2 and 0, that is 20, divided by, click on divide sign and click on 5. As soon as I click on equal to, I will get the result. Now to come out of this window, I will click on the close button of this window and hence it is closed. Now children, watch this video 2 times and try to understand the concept of notepad and calculator. Thank you and have a nice day.